Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this Oreo 3D model from scratch using the SubD workflow. Don't forget to join the Discord server if you want to get some help on your projects, and you can also join my Patreon if you want to learn faster with me. As usual, let me take a few seconds to talk about the sponsor of this video, jlc3dp.com. In my latest video I modeled that pirate gold coin and I sent it to JLC3DP to be printed in metal. I received it in only 3 days. Let's unbox it and compare it side by side with my 3D model. As you can see, it's nicely protected, and take a look at the amount of details. The accuracy of the details is amazing. It looks exactly like my 3D model. I also have another 3D printed model. This one was my first one, and I'm also very happy with the result. If you want to 3D print your models, you can create an account on the website and get a $60 free coupon to spend on the website if you're a new user. And just to let you know, the nylon material is 23% off, so don't miss this opportunity to get your 3D models printed. So I'm going to start with the outer part of the Oreo. So I'm going to add a cube. Ctrl 1 to subdivide it once. Ctrl A to apply. You can add a cast modifier to turn it into a perfect sphere. Or you can select the vertices and press Alt-Shift-S and drag your mouse all the way to the right. I'm going to place it there. I'm going to scale it. I'm going to select the bottom half, E to extrude on the y-axis, scale a little bit. You can remove the bottom part, add, let's say, 2 segments, and now I'm going to do a radial array. So I'm just going to select all the faces, press Alt-E, spin, click on Use Duplicates, and type 90. So now what I can do is to lift this a little bit, merge the vertices by distance, because as you can see, I have some artifacts there. So it means that if I press L and remove, I had some duplicated faces. So now let's select this and this, this and this, right click, bridge. Let's add a loop in between. Select these faces, P separate by selection. And again, go into edit mode, select all the faces, Alt-E, spin. So now select everything, Ctrl J to join, and merge the vertices by distance. Select this border, ES to scale, right click, loop tools, circle. Now I'm going to select this vertex, this one, and then this one, M, merge at center. Select this edge, remove it. Press GG to move this vertex along the edge a little bit. You can mirror this to the other side. Select everything again. Alt-E, spin. Use duplicates. Select everything again and merge the vertices by distance. Now let's select this. ES. Like this. I'm going to add a loop and align it perfectly at the center of this detail. Okay, so now let's select these. I to inset, select these edges, GG, you can remove them, select these faces, Shift D, duplicate, P, separate by selection. I'm going to put my 3D cursor on this vertex, Shift S, cursor to selected, origin to 3D cursor. Now I'm going to place my 3D cursor there, select this, Shift S, selection to 3D cursor, and rotate it like this. Mirror it to the other side. Select both objects, Ctrl J to join, snap this vertex there, snap this one there, there, and there. Mirror this to the other side. Select this border, grid fill. Now I'm going to select these faces, these faces, these ones, these ones, these, 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 these ones, these ones, these, remove. I'm going to select this and this. Alt-E, spin, use duplicates, and reduce the number of copies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's type 12. Perfect. Select everything, M, merge by distance. Now let's do the same for this circle. So I'm just going to select these faces, I to inset, remove, right click, loop tools, circle, put the 3D cursor there. I'm going to add a cube, scale it, Control 1 to add one level of subdivision, apply it. As you can see there, I have 10 edges, and if I select this, I only have 8, so I need to add one more loop. Now I'm going to remove the bottom half, select this, right click, loop tools, circle. Same there. And I'm going to select these two edges, right click, loop tools, space. So now I can just select both objects, Control J to join, select this, then this, right click, bridge. I can now remove this edge loop, like this. Now you can select these faces, these ones, these ones, these, 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 and these. Remove the faces, select these, Alt E, spin, 12, select everything, M, and merge by distance. So now I would like to add seams to make my selections easier, but I don't want to select everything manually like that. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. Select one flat face, press Shift G, coplanar, select loops, select boundary loops. So that way everything has been selected for me. Right click, mark seam. And now if I want to select every single details, I can just press L there, Control I to invert the selection, and I have everything selected. Select this border, E, S, scale. I'm just going to select this face and these, detach. Select these, remove. And now I'm going to add my details. I'm going to select these faces, remove. Let's add a circle with 8 sides. Scale it. Place it there. You can fill it, connect these vertices, separate this, place it there, like this. Select both, Ctrl J to join, press F to fill, add one loop there, select this edge, click on the plus to add a custom pivot point, raise this a little bit, push this vertex there, and this one roughly there, and bevel until you get the shape that you want. So I'm just going to align these edges with these. I can push this up a little bit, scale. I'm going to scale these as well, and these. All right, select these, right click, loop tools, space. And I'm just going to do the same there. I'm going to turn on proportional editing by pressing O, and I can just adjust the radius with my scroll wheel, like this. I can push this a little bit like this by pressing GG. Same there. Add one loop, connect like this and like this. I'm going to select all the faces, E to extrude, enable the snapping, and snap it on this vertex. You can now select the sharp edges, Ctrl B to bevel, with, let's say, one segment, We can get rid of these and these. And I don't want my vertices to be that close. So I'm just going to push them away by pressing GG. Like this. Same there. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the other side. Roughly like this. And like this. All right. You can connect these back together. Like this. I'm just going to select this edge, enable proportional editing again, and I'm just going to raise everything upward a little bit. All right. Turn it off. I'm just going to select the bottom. SZ0. You can remove the bottom. I'm going to grid fill this. I want to place my 3D cursor there. You can remove them again. I'm going to duplicate it. Set the 3D cursor as the pivot point. Select the faces, Alt-E, spin. Click on Use Duplicates and type 4. Perfect. And now let's connect everything together. Don't forget to remove this one because we had some duplicated faces. And now we can connect everything together. So press F, select this and this, press F. Select this border, grid fill. Do the same there. Connect. Or bridge. You can bridge if you want. Select these, bridge, these, and these, bridge. Okay. You can add a loop there, 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 and there. Select this border, grid fill, increase the span value. Perfect. So select both objects, Ctrl J to join, and connect everything together. So connect this, connect this, connect this, connect this. This, 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 this. All right. Connect this there. Connect this, this. You can add a loop there. Connect this and this. Connect this, this. Connect this. We can add a loop there. Connect. Add a loop. Connect. Add a loop. Connect. Connect this one there. This one there. This one there. There. Select these and these. Right click, loop tools, space. Add a loop there. F to fill. I'm going to add a loop like this, like this, like this, and like this. We can remove this, and this. All right. Connect. Connect. Select this face, press Shift 7 to align the viewport to this face. I'm going to reset my pivot point. Mirror this to the other side. Select these edges, right click, loop tools, space. Same there, right click, loop tools, space. Add a loop there. Now we have 2 diamond polygons. I'm just going to select these rings of polygons, deselect these, select these and these, deselect these, right click, loop tools, space. We can also include these 2 and these 2. Right click, loop tools, space. Okay, now we have a little detail there, so let's just select these faces, remove, place the 3D cursor there. I'm going to add a cube, scale it, subdivide it once, apply. We need 2 more loops, so I'm going to add 1 loop there and 1 loop there. I'm going to remove the bottom half, remove, select this border, right click, loop tools, circle, same there, right click, loop tools, circle, and we can just select these, right click, loop tools, relax, select these edges, right click, bridge. Okay, so now that I have this shape, I can just select one flat face, Shift G, coplanar, select loops, select boundary loops, right click, mark seams. Okay, so now we need to reset the 3D cursor location, so I'm going to press Shift C, select all the faces, Alt E, spin, click on use duplicates, and type 12. Select all the vertices, M, merge by distance. Now let's select both objects, Ctrl J to join, merge the vertices by distance. Now let's do these details, so I'm going to select this, inset, remove, select this border, right click, loop tools, circle, scale. We have 14 edges. I'm going to select this by pressing L. I'm going to duplicate it like this, and I'm going to add a new loop. Right click, loop tools, circle, same there, right click, loop tools, circle, select these, right click, loop tools, relax, and make this flat on the y-axis. Select everything, bridge, now let's delete this. Let's press L there, Ctrl plus to grow the selection. Reset the 3D cursor location, Shift C, Alt E, spin, click on use duplicates. Perfect. Select all the vertices, M, merge by distance. And we need to adjust these vertices a little bit. There is another detail there, so I'm just going to select these, I to inset, remove, right click, loop tools, circle, and I'm going to select this, duplicate, place it there, select the borders, right click, bridge. Press L, grow the selection twice by pressing Ctrl plus on the numpad. P, separate by selection, select the faces, Alt E, spin, use duplicates, and I'm going to remove these ones because we have another detail there. And same there, so let's just remove these. And connect everything back together. Ctrl J to join. M, merge by distance. Perfect. So now let's just erase all the seams. Shift G, coplanar, select loops, select boundary loops, right click, mark seam. So that way everything is nice and clean again. Select this border, extrude, scale on the y-axis, press F to fill, I to inset. Now let's remove this. I'm going to add one loop there. I'm going to select these edges, SY0 to flatten. I'm going to place it there. Add another loop. Select these, SY0, place it there. I'm going to select these edges, Ctrl B to bevel, like this. I'm going to remove this and this, this and this. Okay. Now let's duplicate this. Shift D, RZ minus 90 degrees. Scale it like this. I'm just going to remove this face. I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to add a loop there. Connect these two. Add another loop there. Connect. Connect this. Connect this. Connect this. Connect this. Add a loop there. Connect. Connect. Add a loop. Connect. All right. Select these. Deselect these ones. And these ones. Right click. Loop tools. Space. Select this one. Right click. Loop tools. Space. Okay. I'm going to mirror this to the other side. Apply. You can remove these faces. Let's remove these ones as well. I'm going to scale these two on the x-axis like this. Same there. Move this one up a little bit. SX. SX. Select this, Shift D to duplicate, RZ minus 90. Place this there. I'm going to snap this one there, snap this one there, 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 and there. Okay, I can move these a little bit by pressing GG. Let's select these, E, Z, snap. Select these, E, Z, snap. Okay. Fill this. Add a loop. Snap. All right. Select these faces and these ones. E, Z. Select the sharp edges. Ctrl B to bevel. You can merge the vertices at center. Shift R to repeat the latest command. Remove this vertex. Select these two edges. Remove. Connect these two vertices. remove these, select this loop, GG, slide, and merge. You can select these loops, right click, subdivide, connect, connect, remove these two edges, select this border, grid fill, scale this on the x-axis, and push them there. I'm going to align this one there and this one there, and do the same there. All right, much better. And let's just do the same there. Remove this, select these, Shift D, place it there, Shift D, RZ 180 degrees. Let's push this loop there, add a loop there, connect, select this edge, add a vertex, connect it with this, connect, 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 and connect. I'm just going to select these, align them there, perfect. I can add a loop there, connect it like this. I'm going to select these vertices and join them at the center. Mirror this. I can just remove these two. All right. And now let's select these rings of polygons. Deselect these. And these. Right click, loop tools, space. So that way the geometry is a little bit more even. Let's add the text. So select this border, F to fill, I to inset once, do it one more time. I'm going to remove this face and I'm going to reduce the number of vertices. So let's select 3 vertices, M, merge at center, and do that again on every single vertices. All right. So now let's select every single edges there, remove, and you can scale a little bit like this. So now let's select this border, grid fill. You can add, let's say 10 maybe, 10 loops. Or maybe more. Let's try 16. Okay, this is much better like this. Control minus to shrink the selection, right click, smooth vertices, increase the smoothing. So let's select this, I to inset, right click, loop tools, circle, scale, remove. You can select these edges, put them there. I'm going to select this border, center it, S, Y. I'm going to move these vertices upward by pressing GG. Same there. All right. And I'm going to place the vertices to match the picture. Press F, I to inset. Remove, grid fill, shrink the selection, smooth vertices. All right, I can add a seam there, mark seam. I can remove this one, clear seam, Same there. I'm going to press L to select my UV island. Select loops, select boundary loops, and I'm just going to deselect these edges. Right click, clear seam. I'm just going to remove these polygons. I'm going to push this a little bit to the left and this upward. Same here. I'm going to press L once, grow my selection twice, Shift D, duplicate, set the 3D cursor as the pivot point, SX-1, Shift N to flip the normals, and connect the vertices. Perfect. Grab the knife tool by pressing K, A to get a straight line, and cut like this. Like this, like this. There, there. Like this. And like this. Connect these vertices, these ones, these ones, these ones. GG. Connect these vertices. Remove this, and this. Push these ones to the right. Connect like this, remove this, connect, remove this. I can push this there. Add a loop, select these, right click, subdivide. Like this, enter, GG, connect. I'm gonna add another loop there, connect, connect. Connect, add a loop, connect, connect, connect. Push this one there, connect these, remove this. Select, remove. Connect like this. I'm gonna merge these two, merge these, connect these, and remove. GG. We can grid fill this, change the span value, ES to scale, select this border, grid fill, and with my knife tool I'm going to cut the shape. Connect these, connect these. Cut. I'm going to remove this edge, remove this one and this one. Connect these two, connect these two. Add a loop there. Connect. Connect. Connect and connect. Select these vertices, push them to the right, connect and connect. add a loop there, connect these, and these. Push these ones a little bit to the left, like this. Connect, add a vertex there, connect, GG, add a loop there, connect. Add a loop there, S, Y, and scale. Extrude on the Z-axis and snap there. Let's add this little detail, so I'm just going to move these two vertices to the right, like this. Select these polygons, I to inset, remove, right-click loop tools, circle, scale on the x-axis, and move the vertices to match the picture. Select the border, grid fill, increase the span value, extrude on the z-axis, bevel with one segment. Let's duplicate this. I'm going to remove these polygons, select these, Shift D, set the 3D cursor as the pivot point, S, Y, -1, and connect the vertices. Grid fill. Select the faces, Shift N to flip the normals. And for the final part, I'm going to do this detail. So let's select the knife tool and draw the shape. Like this. And like this. I'm only doing this on one side. So let's remove these. Let's connect this. This, remove this. Add one loop there. Connect, remove this. Connect this. Remove. I can connect these, GG, remove this, remove this, connect, remove this, remove, like this, push this one down, add a loop there, connect like this, remove this, connect this, connect this, add a loop there, connect this, remove this, move this vertex downward, same there, remove this, connect, GG, connect these, grab the knife tool, enter, connect, add a loop, connect. I'm gonna select this. Right click, mark seam. P, separate by selection, origin to 3D cursor, mirror, apply, connect everything back together, merge the vertices by distance, remove the seam, clear seam. Now push this, inset, remove, right click loop tools, circle, S to scale, rotate it, S, Y. Let's select these two, SX, same there, remove, and add the vertices again, like this, grid fill, mark seam, select this, press L, E to extrude on the Z-axis, select loop, select boundary loops, add your bevel, select one flat face, Shift G, coplanar, select loops, select boundary loops, Control B to bevel, like this. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please comment, like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.